In this video, we're going to walk you through the step-by-step process on how to install and set up SendPulse Action Automation for workflow apps. Once on your account, head over to App Marketplace, click on it, search for your app and click on Install. Right here, click on Allow and Install. Once your app has successfully been installed, you're going to refresh your tab and click on the custom page. Then the interface of the app is going to pop up where you have access to your documentation. Under the tutorials, you're going to have access to the Smarky video, which is going to serve as a guideline on how to get the necessary credentials to set up the app. We equally have the setup, which shows the status of the app. Here, we notice that our app haven't yet been connected, but no worries, we're going to up the app. First thing, we're going to click on the Start Setup button and we're going to head over to Online. Once you're here, click on your profile icon. From the drop-down menu, you're going to click on Account Settings. On the Account Settings page, you're going to click on API and you're going to click and view your client ID and your client secret, and you're going to click on the copy icon, copy your client ID, head over back to your account and enter your client ID. Go back to your account online, copy your client secret and head over back to your account, enter your client secret. Once you're done, click on Complete Setup. Great, your connection and setup are complete. We equally have the support center. At the level of support center, you can create a ticket for our support team or you can book a call with our support team. We have the change log. Here, you're going to see the necessary notifications concerning the new update and the changes of this app. In order for you to receive these notifications, you're simply going to toggle on the notification button, enter your email and click on subscribe. And that's it. If you have any questions or need help, our support team is available 24/7. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.